Hello friends, let us see the Science and Technology Part 1. What is the first chapter? The chapter name is Laws of Motion. In previous standard, you already studied what do you mean by motion. You know that motion is the relative concept. If the position of an object is changing with respect to its surroundings, then it is said to be in motion. And otherwise it is said to be at rest. See the slide. In first picture we can observe the bird is flying. In second picture we can say that train is at stationary position. That means train is at rest. Train is on the platform. What is the another picture? In the third picture, we can see leaves flying through air. And in the last picture, we can observe that stone is lying on a hill. That means the motion is relative concept we can observe. Next, in the next slide, what is shown in the picture? Football kicked with leg by the boy. Football kicked with leg. In another picture, the moving top is seen. Top is moving. That means we can say objects are in motion. But in the another picture, clock is on the wall and tree is in the courtyard. Clock is on the wall, it is not in motion. Clock is not moving here and there. It is at rest position. Therefore, we can say clock is on the wall. Tree is in the courtyard. Tree is not moving, and so these objects are not in motion. What is shown in the next picture? Sometimes we cannot see the motion of an object directly. What is observed in the first picture? In first picture, it is the breeze. That means sometimes we cannot see the motion of an object directly, as in the case of a breeze. In another picture, what is shown? Observe flow of blood through our veins. We cannot see how the blood is flowing through our veins, but actually it is the motion of blood flowing from one point to another point. Therefore, sometimes we cannot see the motion of an object directly, but actually the object is in motion. Now see the another picture. There is a bus and passengers are sitting in the bus. What do you take into consideration to decide if an object is moving or not? How you can say the bus is moving or bus is stationary? Think over it. Again, we can realize that motion is a relative concept. Motion is a relative concept. The boy is standing under the tree and bus is moving from right to left. Therefore, boy can say that bus is moving. Now see the another picture. In the picture, car is shown. That car is moving. That is, object is moving. In the another picture, the car is moving towards left side. That means you can say object is moving from one point to another point. If that car is stopped, then we must say that car is at rest position. That is, object is at rest.